Millions of sperm begin journey entering female body during reproduction process.
Most sperm fail quickly due to harsh internal environment conditions.
Only few sperm reach cervix, continuing journey deeper inside safely.
Cervical mucus filters sperm, allowing only strongest ones to pass.
Sperm travel through uterus, facing distance and direction challenges ahead.
Some sperm enter the wrong path, reducing chances of reaching egg. Immune cells may attack sperm, reducing their survival significantly inside.
Only strongest sperm reach fallopian tube, where egg may exist.
Many sperm fail trying to penetrate protective outer layer of egg.
Only one sperm succeeds entering egg, starting new life formation.
Fertilization begins combining genetic material from both parents together inside.
If no sperm succeeds, fertilization fails, and pregnancy does not occur. Health timing and conditions all affect chances of successful fertilization.
Understanding this journey explains why pregnancy may not always happen.